Hi, this is Shantani. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of this channel. And this is the part 2 of Geographic Grid Latitude and Longitude. If you have not watched the part 1, you go in the description box and I have already given the link of the part 1. So without any further delay, let's continue this chapter. Now we are going to discuss about longitude. Okay. So what is longitude? Longitude of a point is the angular distance of a point east or west of the Greenwich meridian. See, this is your Greenwich meridian, that is 0 degree, and angular distance of the point east, either east or west, okay, of the Greenwich meridian or prime meridian, it is called your longitude. Okay, and it is your imaginary line that passes through north to south pole. Okay, and it runs east to west or west to east direction. West to east direction it runs. Okay, and the Greenwich is numbered as 0 degree longitude, and longitude is always measured from 0 degree to 180 degree. See, there are 360 longitude, total number of longitude is 360, and 180 longitude in eastern part and the 180 longitudes are in western part. Okay, so now is your prime meridian. What is prime meridian? The Greenwich meridian is a reference line for measuring east or west distance. Okay, and Greenwich meridian converges on the two pole and passes through the observatory at Greenwich near London. This is called your prime meridian. Okay, so it is also an imaginary line that is indicated 0 degree that passes through Greenwich, London. It is called Greenwich meridian because it is passes through the Greenwich in London. So now we will discuss about the difference between longitude and latitude. Okay, so the meridian of longitude refers to the angular distance in degree, minute or second of a point east or west of the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Okay, in case of longitude, the parallels of latitudes refers to the angular distance of degree, minutes or second of a point of north and south of the equator. Okay, so this one is your longitude and this one is your latitude. So in case of longitude, the angular distance, okay, which is measured in respect of prime meridian. When we are measuring the latitude, that time we are using equator. Okay, the line of longitude often refers to the meridians and lines of latitudes often refers to parallels. Okay, and 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian, 0 degree latitudes are called equator, and it divided the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, it connected north and south pole, and the prime meridian divided our earth into two equal parts from north to south. That's why the eastern part of the prime meridian is called eastern hemisphere and the western part of the prime meridian is called western hemisphere. Okay, in case of latitude, the equator divided or equator splits in our earth into two equal halves. The northern part of the equator is called northern hemisphere and the southern part of the equator is called southern hemisphere. And there are 360 longitudes there, 180 in eastern hemisphere and 180 in western hemisphere respectively. In case of latitude, there are 90 in the southern hemisphere, 90 in the northern hemisphere. And what are the importance of longitude and latitude? It helps to determine the time of a place. When we are measuring the time, that time we are using longitude. When we are determining the temperature of a place, that time we are using latitude. Okay, and it is not equal, definitely, because in this picture it is clear that in the northern pole and southern pole respectively, it is the interval between the two longitude become decreasing, right? But latitudes are equal in length. All are 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. Okay, next, eastern and western hemisphere, the prime meridian divided our earth into two equal parts. Western part of prime meridian is called western hemisphere, and the all countries which lies in the eastern part of the prime meridian, that is called eastern hemisphere. See, the North America, Greenland, southern part, South America, these are part of the western hemisphere country, and some part of Africa also, and the Europe, Asia, Australia, these countries are part of the eastern hemisphere. Before going to discuss about the international deadline, we should know about the longitude and time. Okay, longitude and time. What is that? see, our earth shape is spherical in shape, right? And only half of the earth is illuminated by sun at a given time. Okay, so other half is dark, experience night. So Earth rotates at its axis and revolve around the sun, and the portion that faces the sun, that time we experience day, and the other half is dark and experiences night. Okay, and the earth rotates from west to east, that we know that, and the zone of illumination moves slowly towards the west, and this accounts a variation in time of sunrise and sunset at different places on the earth's surface. And earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation. It takes 24 hours. Okay, that's why. And we have 360-degree longitude. 360 longitudes are there. So that means the 360 of longitudes are covered in a period of 24 hours, because it takes 24 hours to rotate one spin. Okay, so the time difference is 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes, because 360 divided by 24 means 15 degree. Okay, so 15 degree, and we know that 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. 1 degree equals to 4 minutes, so 15 degree equals to 1 hour. I think this concept is clear to all, the longitude and the time. Now we will discuss about your international deadline. Okay, what is international deadline? See, international deadline is your imaginary line on Earth's surface that defining the boundary between one day and the next. Okay, and the line was established in year 1884 by an American professor, Davidson, and the line was drawn opposite to the Greenwich prime meridian. Greenwich is your 0 degree. In the opposite part, that is 180 degree, this is your international deadline. Okay, and it is not straight line. Okay, if you see this picture, you can understand that it is not straight line. Okay, it passes turn east, while at the other place it turn west. Okay, and it passes at the middle part of the Pacific Ocean. And what are the importance of international deadline? There must be an importance. The international deadline is very important today, because with the help of the international deadline, we can keep a track of all calculation of day and time accurately. Okay, when we are traveling to the eastern part, that time gaining a day, and when we are traveling towards western part, it losing a day. Okay, I think this concept is clear to all. Next is we will understand with the statement that day start in the Pacific Ocean on the Earth. Okay, because of the international deadline passes through the Pacific Ocean, with the reference of the international deadline, the day on the Earth start in the west and end in the east. Okay, and it is one and the same day, only 12 o'clock midnight at the 180 degree meridian for the countries lying in the east of it, like USA, Chile, and it is end of the day while country lying in the west, such as Japan, Australia. Okay, so it is start of a new day. What is Greenwich Mean Time and Indian Standard Time? Okay, as local time varies from place to place, that we know that, and it would create considerable confusion. Okay, if each place were follow their own local time, it will be difficult for people to follow the time. Okay, so that's why, in order to avoid such confusion, many countries follow the uniform time throughout the country. Okay, and that uniform time is based on the central meridian or prime meridian, that is Greenwich. Okay, and Greenwich is passes through London. Another name of Greenwich is prime meridian, that is 0 degree. And to avoid such confusion, some countries like your Great Britain and country like Western Europe and West Africa, they consider Greenwich Mean Time as a standard time for their country. Okay, and what is Indian Standard Time? See, there are 2 hour differences between the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. In Gujarat, Rann of Kutch, it is westernmost part, and the Kithubu is Arunachal Pradesh in the easternmost part of our country. Okay, and there is a 2 hour difference between the eastern and westernmost part. To avoid the confusion of the various time zone, that's why we consider 82 degree 30 minutes as a standard meridian. Okay, and we follow the 82 degree 30 minutes that passes through the Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now we will discuss about or distinguish between the local time and the standard time. See, local time of a place can be calculated if we know the longitude of that place. We can easily calculate their local time. Okay, and standard time is referred to as the local time of a country of central meridian is the standard time of that country. Okay, local time changes with the longitude, but it remains same within one country. See, our Earth rotates 360 in 24 hours. Then 1 hour it would be rotate 360 divided by 24. It would be 15. So the Earth would be take 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree. Okay. So if the Greenwich is Greenwich, that is 0 degree, and the time of the Greenwich is 12 p.m., it would be 12:04 p.m. at 0 degree east. Okay, and 0 degree west time would be 11:56. Similarly, at 11 p.m. at 15 degree west and 1 p.m. at 15 degree east. Now we will try to solve some mathematical calculation with the help of the concept that I already discussed. Okay, so let's start. A cricket match was to be held at Birmingham at 9 a.m. local time, and the position of Birmingham is 5 degree west. Calculate the time the viewers have to turn their television in Sydney, that is your 151 degree east. Okay, first you pause this video and try to do by own. After that you show this solution. Okay, first pause this video. After that you try by yourself. After you see the solution. Okay, see, the local time of Birmingham is 9 a.m. that is mentioned, and location, the latitude location is also given, that is 5 degree west of prime meridian, and we know that 1 degree equals to 4 minutes, then 5 degree equals to your 20 minutes. Okay, so the Greenwich time would be your 9:20. Okay, and you calculate the time. Question is now the time the viewers have to turn their television. Okay, when they are in Sydney, and the longitude of Sydney is 151 degree east. So now what we will do, that Sydney will be 150 degree into 4, that is 604 minutes, that is 10 hours 4 minutes, 10 hours 4 minutes, which is ahead of Greenwich because it is located in Eastern Hemisphere. So time would be 9:20 plus 10:04, that 7:24 p.m. Okay, next, what is the longitude of a place where the local time is 1:15 p.m. when it is 4 a.m. at Chicago, 88 degree west. Okay, the time difference between two places is your 9 hours 15 minutes. Okay, 1:15 means 13:15 minus 4. Okay, that is your 9 hours 15 minutes. 9 hours 15 minutes means your 540 plus 15 minutes, then your 555 minutes. The longitudinal difference is 1 degree equals to 4 minutes, so you have to divide 555 divided by 4, then we will get 138 degrees 75 minutes. Okay, so the longitude required degree is 50 degree 45 minutes east. Got it? Next one is the calculate the time of Durban, that is 30 degree east, and when the time is 7 a.m. at New York, 75 degrees. See, it is Eastern Hemisphere, another location is your Western Hemisphere. When the two places located in the different zone, such as some places in the Eastern Hemisphere, some places in your Western Hemisphere, that time you will add it the two longitude. Okay, if it is given that both place is located in the Eastern Hemisphere, that time you will do subtract from each other. So if we add the 30 plus 75 degree, you will get 105, and 105 means if you have to you will convert it into minute, that time you will get the 420 minutes ahead of from New York. So the time difference means the 420 means 7 hours. It's 7 p.m. means 2 p.m. 7 a.m. plus 7 hours, it is your 14 hours. 14 hours means your 2 p.m. Next is calculate the longitude of a place where the local time is 6 a.m. and the time is your 9 a.m. The longitude of New Delhi is 77 degrees east. See, the time difference between New Delhi and the place X is your 9 plus 6 is your 15 hours, and 15 hours you will, if you convert it into the minute, that time you will get the 900 minutes, and the longitudinal difference 900 divided by 4, that is 2225 degree, and the place will be, if you subtract from 225 from 77 degree, that will get the 148 minutes. Calculate the local time at Singapore. Next is Singapore 104 degree east. Okay, and when it is 6 p.m. at Greenwich. So Singapore and Greenwich is 0 degree, that you know that, and Singapore is eastern zone. So 0 degree plus 104. So it is 104 degree. Okay, 104 into 4 degree, that is your 416 minutes, and 416 minutes 6 hours 56 minutes, and the time will be your 12:56 a.m. And next one is your, what is the time and day at Mumbai, that is your 73 degree, when it is Sunday at 10:30 p.m. at Shillong, which is your 90 degree east. See, both are lies in eastern zone. So now we will subtract from each other. You will get 19 degree. 19 degree means your 76 minutes, 1 hour 16 minutes it is. So the local time of Mumbai would be your 9:14 p.m. So this is all about this, all about today. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed that yet. And you can follow me in Facebook, Instagram, and this is your blog page. You can get the a lot of questions regarding your topic, and please follow this link. And thank you for this today.